How to change the autofill address on your iPhone. So, if you're filling in an address field and your phone keeps entering an old or incorrect address erratically, I'll show you how to update it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then scroll again until you find Safari, and select it. From there, go down to Autofill and tap on it. Make sure Use Contact Info is toggled on. After that, close Settings. Next, use the search bar on your iPhone to search for contacts, and open the Contacts app. Tap your profile card at the top. Then, press Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down to Address and select it. Enter your updated home address and save your changes. And that's how you change the autofill address on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.